We're entering residence 27A at the link. You enter into a nice bright hallway and your kitchen and a large coat closet. Plenty of storage here. You have bamboo flooring throughout the apartment. In the kitchen, you have lots of storage. All the way to the left there is your paneled dishwasher, soapstone countertops, undermount sink, plenty of upper storage. On the side, you have a Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer combo, more storage, and Bosch range and convection oven. Continue into the hallway. You have your half bath, which also includes the laundry. Similar finishes to the kitchen. And then you have your large living area, which is eastern and southern exposure. So you're seeing the bright sunlight coming in through today. And really nice open city views. Hudson Yards and east. You have central air throughout with 3 ranges, 2 in the living room, 1 in the bedroom. In the bedroom, you get northern and eastern views. You also have motorized curtains and shades for the windows in the bedroom and the bathroom. You can see a peak of Central Park in the distance, going straight up 8th Avenue. Another AC and heating zone here. You also have 3 large closets with organizers already installed. All the way throughout. In the master bath, you have double vanity, subway glass tiles, and it is also windowed with an eastern exposure.